Mm-hmm. Nora woke up early. Nora, can you try to eat a Cheerio? Show them how good you can do. Yeah, try to get a Cheerio. Good girl. You did. You got one. We're trying to learn how to feed ourselves. Oops, that one went on the floor. Can you try another one, Nora? You're getting full. Hi. Pretty song. Nora, how big are you? How big are you? Yeah, how big are you? So big. Yeah, so big. That's a girl. Yeah. How big are you? So big. Yeah. Sure. Can you try to eat a Cheerio one more time? Maybe done with breakfast. It's still pretty early out there. Okay. Okay. You got one, yeah. Oh, it fell again. Bummer. Like your left hand. Good. Did you get it? Oh, I think it's still in your hand. Yep. It's hard. It's hard work, isn't it? You can do it. It's stuck to your finger. All right. Bye-bye. Are you going to do it one more time? Not quite. Okay, bye-bye.